Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can easily change your profile picture in Jira software. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Jira software, and then what you want to do is just the right tip corner to your profile and settings, click on personal settings or profile, click on profile, and then you're gonna see your picture here. I just need to save my name here, right? So what you want to do is simply click on the picture here, and you can upload a photo, and I'm going to upload like Yoda here, upload, and voila, this is how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.